In this video, we will answer if you can play College Football 25 on PC. The answer to that when you search Google is no, because College Football 25 is only available on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series. What you can do instead of that is to just head over and then use Xbox Game Pass for PC. That is because you can purchase this one, which is a PC Game Pass, and they actually have the College Football 25 for that. Make sure to join their Game Pass program for only 175 per month in order to get this. Another option that you can do is you can search for Xbox emulator. So let's search in here for that. And then you should be able to see this one. So just click on this and then just download this application in order to use this emulator right here in order to play your College Football 25. So now that you know the answer to that, I hope this video helped you out.